Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add one-day filters on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit, you just click on the filters at the bottom. And after this, in here at the menu, you just click on the movies. And after this, in here at the movies, you just click on one day. Just click on it. Okay, you can see this is the before and this is the after. Before, after, before, after. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom. Now you can setting the filters to all a video until the end your video. And finish. So that how to add one-day filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.